Did you know that over 40% of dog owners have faced a pet emergency? Imagine being prepared to save your dog's life during a critical moment. In today's video, we will cover essential first aid techniques every dog owner must know. From recognizing vital signs to handling emergencies like choking, bleeding, and heat stroke, this guide will empower you to act confidently when every second counts. You see, just like humans, dogs can experience unexpected accidents and illnesses. As pack leaders, it is our responsibility to not just provide food and shelter, but to be their protectors in times of need. By learning these skills, you become their lifeline, their source of comfort and security when they need it most. We'll empower you with the knowledge and confidence to handle emergencies, giving you the peace of mind that you can be there for your furry friend, no matter what challenges come your way. Remember, a calm and assertive leader makes for a calm and confident dog. Let's get started. Emergencies can happen anytime, whether your dog chokes on a treat, gets injured during playtime, or experiences a heat stroke during summer walks. Knowing basic first aid can mean the difference between life and tragedy. Think of it like this. Your dog depends on you for everything. You are their entire world. When they are hurt or scared, their instincts tell them to seek comfort and protection from their pack leader. That's you. In those critical moments, you don't want to be frozen, unsure of what to do. You want to be the calm, assertive leader your dog needs, ready to jump into action and provide immediate care. Every second counts in an emergency. By the time you gather your thoughts, search for help, or wait for a vet, precious minutes can slip away. Just like us, dogs have vital signs that tell us a lot about their well-being. Knowing how to check these vital signs is like having a direct line to your dog's internal communication system. It allows you to listen to what their bodies are saying, even when they can't tell you with words. Monitoring your dog's vital signs can help detect distress early. Remember, dogs are masters at hiding pain and discomfort. It's in their nature to mask weakness as a survival instinct. But by regularly checking their vitals, you can spot subtle changes that might otherwise go unnoticed. Let's learn how to check your dog's basic vitals. First, we have the breathing rate. A normal breathing rate for a dog at rest is between 15 to 30 breaths per minute. To check, simply watch your dog's chest rise and fall. Each rise and fall counts as one breath. Next is the heart rate. A normal heart rate for a dog can range from 70 to 120 beats per minute, depending on their size, breed, and age. Smaller breeds tend to have faster heart rates than larger breeds. You can check your dog's heart rate by gently feeling the pulse on the inside of their hind leg, where the femoral artery is located. Finally, we have body temperature. Now let's explore the most common dog emergencies and how you can respond effectively. Remember, these are just basic first aid measures to stabilize your dog until you can get them to a veterinarian. Let's start with choking. Dogs are curious creatures and love to explore the world with their mouths. This can sometimes lead to them choking on objects like toys, bones, or even food. Signs of choking include pawing at the mouth, difficulty breathing, panicked behavior, and excessive drooling. If you suspect your dog is choking, it's crucial to stay calm and act swiftly. First, try to open their mouth carefully and see if you can visually identify and remove the obstruction. If you can't remove the object or are unsure how to proceed, try a modified Heimlich maneuver. To perform the Heimlich maneuver on a dog, stand behind them and wrap your arms around their waist. Make a fist with one hand and place it just below their ribcage. Grasp your fist with your other hand and give a firm upward thrust. Repeat this several times until the object is dislodged or your dog starts coughing. Next, let's talk about bleeding. External injuries like cuts or scrapes can occur during playtime, walks, or even from everyday mishaps. The most important thing is to control the bleeding. If your dog is bleeding, apply direct pressure to the wound using a clean gauze pad or cloth. If the bleeding is severe, elevate the injured limb above their heart to help slow down the blood flow. Once the bleeding is controlled, wrap the wound with a clean bandage. Another common emergency is seizures. Witnessing your dog having a seizure can be terrifying, but it's essential to remain calm and take appropriate steps to keep them safe. During a seizure, dogs may experience muscle spasms, loss of consciousness, drooling, and vocalization. The most important thing during a seizure is to keep your dog safe. Having a well-prepared first aid kit can be a lifesaver. It's like having a toolbox specifically designed to address your dog's health needs in emergency situations. It empowers you to take immediate action and provide essential care while professional help is on the way. Let's go through the essential items your dog first aid kit should include. First and foremost, we have gauze pads and bandages. These are crucial for controlling bleeding and protecting wounds. Make sure to have a variety of sizes on hand. Next, antiseptic wipes are essential for cleaning wounds and preventing infection. You can use pre-packaged antiseptic wipes or opt for a bottle of antiseptic solution and sterile gauze pads. A digital thermometer is a must-have for checking your dog's temperature. Remember, a dog's normal temperature is higher than a human's, so it's important to have a thermometer specifically designed for pets. Tweezers are handy for removing splinters, thorns, or even ticks that may have attached themselves to your dog. Opt for fine-tipped tweezers for better precision and ease of removal. Staying safe and prepared. Remember, you are your dog's pack leader. In an emergency, they will mirror your energy. If you panic, they will panic. But if you can stay calm and take charge, it will help them feel safer and more secure, even in the midst of a crisis. So, how do you stay calm when your instinct is to freak out? First, take a deep breath. It sounds simple, but consciously slowing down your breathing will help regulate your heart rate and bring a sense of calm. Next, assess the situation. Before you jump into action, take a moment to gather information. What happened? What are your dog's symptoms? Is the environment safe? Having a clear understanding of the situation will help you make better decisions. Once you have a grasp of the situation, prioritize safety, both yours and your dog's. If your dog is injured or in pain, they may be more likely to bite, even if they've never shown aggression before. Post-emergency care and veterinary attention. You've administered first aid and your dog seems stable. That's fantastic. You've done a wonderful job. But remember, first aid is just the initial step. It's not a substitute for professional veterinary care. Even if your dog seems fine, it's crucial to schedule a veterinary checkup within 24 hours of any emergency. Internal injuries or complications may not be immediately apparent, and a veterinarian can provide a thorough examination and determine if further treatment is needed. During the veterinary visit, be prepared to provide detailed information about the incident, the first aid measures you took, and any changes you've observed in your dog's behavior or condition. This will help the veterinarian make an accurate diagnosis and develop an effective treatment plan. After the veterinary visit, it's essential to follow the veterinarian's instructions carefully. This may include administering medications, keeping the wound clean and dry, restricting exercise, or providing a special diet. Training and preparedness courses. Empowering yourself with formal dog first aid training is like giving yourself a superpower, the ability to confidently handle any emergency that comes your way. It's an investment in your dog's well-being and your peace of mind. Think of it like this. Would you know what to do if your dog was choking, or if they suddenly collapsed? These are scary situations that no dog owner wants to think about, but they can and do happen. Dog first aid training equips you with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively in those critical moments. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about being prepared, not petrified. One of the most significant benefits of formal training is the hands-on experience it provides. Be your dog's hero. You now have the tools to act swiftly during a dog emergency. Stay prepared, stay calm, and always seek veterinary support when needed. Remember, you are your dog's pack leader, their protector, their source of comfort and strength. By learning these essential first aid techniques, you've taken a proactive step towards ensuring your furry companion's safety and well-being. You've empowered yourself with the knowledge and confidence to handle emergencies with calmness and assertiveness, providing crucial care in those critical moments when every second counts. For more expert pet care tips, like, share, and subscribe to our channel at Sarban Veterinary Services. Check out our full playlist for more dog health tips. Join our WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in description. We will see you in another video. Till then, be a hero.